was the year. This was the year God used to prepare you for everything you're about to see. Everything you're about to walk into, all the doors that's about to open, all the prayers that's about to be answered, everything that you're about to experience in this next year of your life would not even make sense without you going through what you've been through in this current year of your life. God had to allow you to experience a year like 2023 in order for you to even appreciate a year like 2024. There were times when you wonder, God, what are you trying to teach me? And God couldn't answer you right then because he had to fulfill the scripture in John chapter 13 verse 7 when he said, you don't understand now what I'm doing, but someday you will. God wasn't ignoring you. He just had to stay true to what he said. If he would have given you understanding when you asked for it, that would have made him a liar. Jesus and lying is like water and oil. They don't mix. So he couldn't tell you in that very moment, but I'm here to tell you your moment is coming. Look, life is lived forward, but it's only understood backward. The only place you can find out what happens in the end without starting in the beginning is in a book. And fam, this ain't no book. I can sit up here and lie to you and tell you this gonna be your year. This gonna be the year God does it. This year gonna be this.